Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our next exercise of third chapter, that is decimals. So in the second exercise we have to do addition of the decimals, subtraction of the decimals. Okay, so only we have to perform here addition and subtraction. There is some simple sums and some other statement sum. So we will discuss here few from them. Question number 1. In the question number 1, question number 1 to 8 all are the same, we have to add them. Okay, so question number 1. In the question number 1, add what is given. First we will write the given numbers. What are the given numbers here? Given numbers is 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8, 7.77. Okay, these are the given decimal numbers, we have to add them. What we will do first, you have already done this in your previous class. To add the decimals number, first we will convert that into like decimals. Okay, so first we will convert into like decimals. In the like decimals, what is the like decimals? Means after the decimal point the number of digits should be same in all the numbers. So here is after the point there is one digit, after point here is two digit, after point there is one, after point there is two. So maximum number of digits are 2. Okay, so in the each and every number we will put 2 digit after the decimal. So 16 we can write it 16.00. Another 8.70 we will put 0 at the end. Now 0.94 this is already like this, and now the 6.80, another is 7.77. Now what we have to do, we will write these numbers in the column and we will add them. So first I am writing this 16.00. Now next is point should be below the point, so this point will be here 870. Next is 0.94. Next is 6.80. Next is 7.77. we have to add this. Okay, that is simple addition. So what it will be? 7 and 4, it will be 11, 1 will be here. Okay, now 7 and this 1, it will be 8, 16, 16, and this is also 16. 16 to the 32. Here will be 2. Here will be 2. 3 will be here. Okay. Now add this 7 and 6, 13. 13 and 8. 13 and 8 is 21. 21 and 6. 21 and 6, 27, and 3, 30. So here will be 0. This is 3, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Where will be the decimal point? Decimal point will be here. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to just do the simple addition. Okay. Now I have taken fifth part of this, means fifth question. In that, given numbers. First you will write the given numbers. What are the given numbers? That is 26.9, 19.74, 231.769, 231.769. Another is 0.048. So first we will convert this into like decimal. Okay, so after the decimal maximum number of digits are 3. So in the each and every number we will put the 3 digit after the decimal point. Like decimals, what it will be? 26.900, 19.740, 231.769, 0.048. Now we have to write this in columns and we will add this. Okay, I am adding here. So what is that? First write this 26.900. What is next number? 19. Decimal should be below the decimal. 19.74740. Okay. After that decimal point, put the decimal point. What is after the decimal? 769, and before the decimal 2, 3, 1. So 1 will be here, 3 and 2 will be here. Okay. Now plus 0 point after the decimal 048. We have to add this. Okay. Here will be 9 and 8. This will be 17. 1 will be here. 6, 4, 10, 14, 1, 15. 1 will be here. Okay. Now 7, 7, 14. 14 and this is 10. So it will be 24. And 2 will be here. Decimal point will be here. Now 9, 1, 10. 10 or 8. 18. 1 will be here. This will be at the second place. There is nothing. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there is no carry. So it will be as it is. So this is our number for the fifth sum. This is our answer for the fifth sum. Now what we have to do in the question number 9 to 16, we have to do the subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. So there is only in the subtraction only two numbers are given. Okay. So the same way we will use. First we will convert that into like decimals, then we will subtract. So what is our question number 9? Question number 9. In the question number 9, given numbers, that is 14.79, we have to subtract this from, this is our statement, 70 to 43. First we will convert this into like decimal. Here is after decimal 2 digit, here is also 2 digit. So this is already in like decimal, no need to convert into like decimal. These are the given numbers. So we will do here subtraction. So in the subtraction, subtract the smaller number from the greater one. Okay. So this number will come first, 72.43. We have to subtract this 0.79 minus simple subtraction you have to do here. This is 3. 9 will not go from this, so it will be 13. Yes. So from 13 9 will go, it will be 4. This is 3. From 13 7 will go 6. Point. This is 11. From 11 4 will go. So you will get 7. Here is 6. From 6 1 will go. You will get 5. So this is our answer, 57.64. Okay. So next is question number 14 and 17 both. Okay, I will do first 14. That is also the same. You have to use the same method. 0.4678 from. We have to do subtraction here, 5.05. So first we will convert this into like decimals. Yes. In the like decimals, what will be our number? Number after the decimal there is 4 digits. So 0.4678 and 5.0500. Okay. Now we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. Which one is greater? This one. 5.0500. Okay. Now 0.4678. Do the subtraction here. Do the subtraction here. Okay. So now from 10 8 will go. It will be 2. Now this is 9. Here will be 2. Here it will 4. From 14 6 will go. You will get 8. Here will be 9. From 9 4 will go, but you will get 5. Decimal point as it is. 4 is left here, so it will be 4.5822. This is our answer. Okay. Now question number 17. Question number 17 to 22 all are statement sum. Okay. In the question number 17, take out this from 9.1. Take out means minus करना है. We have to take 5.746 from 9.1. So what you will do in this, first you will convert both the number in the like decimal, then you will subtract that. Okay, so you will do this question by your own. Now the question number 18 and 19 both are same. In one you have to do addition, means you have to add a number, and in 19 you have to subtract a required number. Okay, so I am doing question number 18 from that. So what is to be added to, what is to be added to, this is your question number 8. 63.58. another number is to get 92, means to get 92. स्टेटमेंट इज व्हाट इज टू बी एडेड इन दिस, मैं इसमें क्या ऐड करूं सो दैट आई कैन गेट 92. मैं इसमें क्या ऐड करूं कि मुझे 92 मिल जाए. व्हाट आई डू, मैं सिंपली 92 में से इस नंबर को सबट्रैक्ट कर दूंगी. सो वी विल राइट हियर डायरेक्टली यू विल फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्ट इनटू लाइक डेसिमल्स. यू कैन राइट गिवन नंबर्स और देन यू विल राइट लाइक डेसिमल्स. It will be after there is 2 points, so 63.58 and another number 92.00. Okay, so what will be our required number? The required number is equal to means what should we add in this? What should we add in this to get 92? So from 92.00 we will subtract 63.58. So whatever you will get here, that will be your answer. So here will be from 10, 8 will go, you will get 2. Here will be 9, this will be 4 point. This is 2, it will be 1. So from 11, 3 will go, you will get 8. Okay, this is 8, from 8 you will get 2. So 28.42. This number, this 28.42 should be added to 63.58 so that we can get 92. Okay. Question number 19 is also same. In that you have to subtract a number. Nothing, no change in that. You will simply subtract that given numbers after converting that into like decimals, and at the end you will write the line this number should be subtracted. There will be subtraction. Okay. Question number 21. Question number 21 and 20 both are same. In one sum you have to increase a number and another you have to decrease a number. So question number 21, by how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87. Okay. Means मैं इस नंबर को कितना डिक्रीज करूं, कितना लेस करूं, सो दैट आई कैन गेट 26.87. कि मैं इसको कितना लेस करूं, मैं इसको कितना छोटा करूं कि मुझे ये मिल जाए. हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट दैट? सिंपली we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number, so that will be the number. So we will write, जब हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा we will write this number should be decreased by, जो भी आंसर होगा वो हम लिखेंगे, to get this. So how we will do this? This is the statement. You will write simple statement. Okay. After that you will write, after converting in the like decimals, numbers after converting into like decimals. Okay, so what are numbers? This is 74.30 because here is 2 digit after the decimal, and you will put and 26.87. Okay, so now you will do simple subtraction, means you will subtract the smaller number from the greater one. 74.30, here will be 26.87. now subtract this. Here will be 3, from 12 8 will go, here will be 4 point. Now from 13 6 will go, you will get 7, here will be 6, from 6 2 will go, you will get 4. So what we will write at the end for the question number 21, we will write 74 point, hence you will write hence 74.3 should be decreased by, what is that, 47.43 to get what we want to get, 26.87. ओके, मीन्स अगर मैं 74.3 को इतना डिक्रीज कर दूं, इतना कम कर दूं, तो मुझे 26.87 मिल जाएगा. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर. इन दैट यू हैव टू इंक्रीज. अप टू हियर इट विल बी सेम. यहाँ तक आपको ऐसे ही करना है, वो भी माइनस ही करना उसमें, बट इट दिस लैंग्वेज विल बी चेंज. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Okay. In the question number 22, what we have to do? By how much? Sorry, Rohit purchased some articles. Okay, articles are given to us, and cost of that articles also given to us. First, we will write the cost of articles. Then he gave 50 rupees. Yes, he gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. What he will get back? हमें यही बताना, means after purchasing all the articles, he is giving 50 rupees. So how much money he will get back? In the question number 22, you will write Rohit purchased a notebook for this. You can say cost of notebook. Cost of a notebook. What is that? Is equal to rupees 23.75. Okay, and a pencil for rupees. Cost of a pencil is equal to rupees. Cost of pencil is 2.85. And the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen. What is that? Cost of a pen is 15.90. 15.90. Look at here. We have to add all these three costs. So it should be in the like decimal. 23.74, 2.85. 15.90. All are in like decimal because after the decimal in all the numbers there is 2 digit. Okay, so cost of all articles, add them, 23.75, 2.85. Okay, 15.90. You can put 0 here, plus this, here will be 0, 1. Okay, now 8 and 8, 16 and 9, 25. 2 will be here, point will be here. Now 5, and this is also 5, 10 and 12. 1 will be here, 2, 3 and 4. So cost of all article is 42.50. This is in rupees. Now how much money given by Rohit to the shopkeeper? So we will write here money given by Rohit is equal to rupees 50. Yes. Okay. So money returned by shopkeeper. Money returned by shopkeeper. How much money he will return? He will subtract 42.50 from the 50. So 50 is not in like decimal. So we will convert that 50.00 and we will subtract the cost of all article from that. So it will be 50 point. There is 9. From 9 2 will go 7. Here will be 0. So this is in rupees. So money returned by shopkeeper is this. We have to tell money. We have to tell amount did he get back. Okay. So amount we will write at the end, amount received by, received means उसको जो receive हुई, जो उसको मिली, received by Rohit, amount received by Rohit is equal to rupees 7.50. This is our last line, this is our answer. Okay, so you will complete this exercise by your own. Also try all the examples related to this exercise. Okay, thank you class.